I cannot venture any guess. Ano yan? That's an executive function. If they're asserting the right of the executive, or really the role of the executive to represent the sovereign of the country. Sovereignty issue yan eh. And it is beyond many things judicial already, I think, in my opinion. May due process lahat yan. We assured the executive of Timor-Leste that we will do things as in observing all the tenets of due process and fair play. Unlike the victims who died here, there was no fair play when 13 people were murdered. Pinatay po yung 13 tao rito, kaya hindi ho ito basta-basta pinag-uusapan at hindi ho ito ginagawang kampihan. Ang mahalaga po, yung mga pamilya na nawalan po ng mga mahal sa buhay, magkaroon ng hustisya.
Nagulantang at parang caught off guard daw ang kampo ni Teves, saying na they were surprised na hinuli si Teves because nung nakaraan lang hindi panayagan na kunin ng Pilipinas si Teves, but he will be now facing justice, or at least he will now be facing the charges brought against him. Kasi sa totoo lang, bakit ba siya umalis ng bansa? Bakit ba tinataguan niya ang hustisya sa Pilipinas? Why did he not defend himself, lalo na sa mata ng publiko, by seeking asylum elsewhere? Parang sinasabi niya na masyadong malakas ang pagbubuska sa akin, na tinatawag or pinapakita nilang guilty agad ako. You're not really persecuted legally. You're not really being politically persecuted kasi there's some strong evidence to back that up. But again, wala akong sinasabi. Again, alleged lang siya. Alleged conspirator and alleged mastermind sa pagpatay kay Robel de Camo. And I'm not saying that he is, but a lot of people think he did do whatever they were trying to convict him something of.
First of all, the arrest happened last night at around 9 p.m. Dili time, which is 1 hour ahead of Manila time. He was arrested by members of the Immigration Police together with his lawyer, Dr. Joao Serra, and they were taken to the compound of the Ministry of the Interior building. No reason was given for the arrest according to Mr. Serra, nor was a warrant or any written instrument authorizing the arrest shown to my client or to Attorney Serra. He seems upbeat, he is convinced of his innocence, and he is suspicious of the fact that the timing coincided with the ASEAN summit.